How to get the blue check on Instagram. Everyone can now get verified on Instagram with Meta Verified. Meta, the company that owns Facebook and Instagram, has introduced a new verification option called Meta Verified. This allows you to get the verification checkmark next to your Instagram account. The best way to do this is through the Instagram app on your phone. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and go to your profile page. Tap on the three lines in the top corner. If this option is available for your account, you will see a section called Meta Verified. Tap on Meta Verified to see the details. With this subscription, you get a verified badge, extra account security, direct support, and more stickers. However, this is a paid subscription. There are also some requirements. This feature is not available for business accounts, and you must be at least 18 years old. If you do not see the Meta Verified option, it may be because your account does not meet these requirements. If the option is available, tap Subscribe. You will be taken to a page where you can subscribe to Meta Verified for both Facebook and Instagram as part of a bundle. The verification is a monthly subscription, so as long as you continue paying, you will keep the checkmark. If you stop paying, the checkmark will be removed. After subscribing, there is a confirmation step. Your first and last name must match your government-issued ID. If your name does not match, you will not be verified. To fix this, tap on the name section and update it to match your ID. Your profile photo should also clearly show your face looking forward. Additionally, two-factor authentication must be enabled on your account. The verification process usually takes up to 3 days. If your name does not match your ID, or if you do not meet the requirements, your verification will be rejected and you will receive a refund for that month. That is how Meta Verified works, and by this you can get a blue tick on Instagram.